Jamb 2010 Economics Past Question number 28. A decrease in aggregate spending in an economy will ultimately lead to A. Option A says boom. Option B says deflection. Option C says inflation. Option D says regression. If you look at a continuous fall in the price level of goods and services as a result of decrease in the volume of money in circulation. Since prices fall, the value of money rises during deflection. A given sum of money can purchase more goods and services. So this situation is called deflection. So our answer is option B. Option B is our correct answer. Thank you. Please subscribe for more questions.